Ypsilanti Township versus Andra Hartgrove, case number 23T00827.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Allison Miller here on behalf of Andra Hartgrove. Mr. Hartgrove, can you state your name for the record, please?
Andre Hartgrove.
Andre. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm good, sir. All right, so. I don't know whether this matters at all, but Mr. Hartgrove's is a valid license.
Now, was this ticket for a operating with no security?
Yeah, Mr. Burnett, did you see I sent proof of his insurance and registration? Let me pull up the email. But I had sent it originally to Ms. McDuffie, but then I learned it was your case now, so I just sent that.
Yeah, now I'm seeing that. So I do have that, Your Honor. So at this point, I'm going to move to dismiss the ticket.
All right, thank you. All right, sir, this case is now dismissed, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. You guys have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Can you please let the children know that what they brought to us is actually in the registry?
Okay, just one moment. Mr. Petiprin, could you please get the jail to come in and talk to me, sir? Go and get the jail officer, please, sir. Good morning, Mr. Petiprin, sir. I don't. Good morning, Mr. Petiprin is not actually on my docket. He is on the magistrate's docket.
Right, thank you.
Which magistrate is that?
Brayley.
Who?
Brayley.
Is Brayley?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
That's for today too, though, not tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Being that I haven't had a chance to have an attorney visit prior to this, can you tell me what charges is
No,
this?
I cannot. You can go and speak to the
Thank you.
magistrate. State of Michigan versus Jonathan Freeze, case number 23S00223.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Wait 1 second, Mr. Freeze, please.
Rachel McDuffie for the people. Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Jonathan Freeze.
Thank you. Mr. Freeze, please state your name.
Miss, Jonathan Freese,
Thank you.
FRESE. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see, where are we with this? So we're here for a pretrial. He admitted to the bond violation last time. And I'm trying to figure out, did that bond violation include the lobby challenge at that time? I don't think it did. He was just missing tests. It's labeled as a progress report, but inside of that report, per Officer Davis, Mr. Freeze reported to the community corrections and caused a scene in a lobby, challenging Officer Davis to meet him outside to fight.
Yeah, I don't plead guilty.
Mr. Freeze, let me speak.
All right.
Your Honor, can we approach?
You may. Yes. All right, it's my understanding that we're going to adjourn this so that you can have an opportunity to speak with your client further to make a determination as to the next steps in this matter. In the interim time period, the prosecutor is going to determine whether or not there is video of the incident. If there is video, it will be provided to counsel, Ms. White, prior to our next hearing, which we're going to schedule for April 2nd, 2024, and that will be at 9 a.m. Mr. Freeze, please don't have any violations or anything of your bond between now and then, okay, sir? Thank you. Bond is continued. So this will be scheduled for a pretrial. Bond will continue.
No, it's still spinning.
Okay. You're all set, Mr. Freeze. Have a good day. State of Michigan versus Mikael Lyons, case number 22S00452.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Mikael Lyons.
Michael Lyons, present.
Thank you, sir. We're here for a pretrial today.
It looks like we did attempt to reach out to Mr. Lyons and we were unsuccessful. I don't know if there's an offer in this matter, Ms. McDuffie.
So yeah, last time Mr. Lebo advised that they were close to accepting the offer, but they wanted more time to get information on Mr. Lyons' driving record and any consequences that would come. That offer was to plead to a reduced count of impaired with closing the case out. I think he served at least a day in jail on this case. Mr. Lyons was in custody at our jail while he had gotten a couple of bench warrants for not appearing on this case. And he had been appearing on some other things in circuit court. So I just offered to basically close it out with that, given that he was present, but not appearing in this court, which wasn't really his fault.
Mr. Lyons, would you like to go into a breakout room and discuss that with someone, or do you want an adjournment?
Yes, please. I did get the driver's records. I just was, I didn't have a number.
Sir, which one do you want to do? Go into a breakout room or adjourn?
You can adjourn it.
This is the final adjournment. The pretrial will be adjourned to April 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Bond is continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
We have a translator. State of Michigan versus Evan Hanna, case number 23S00483, as well as 23S427080809.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Evan Hanna on 23483.
Thank you. Evan Hanna, please state your name.
Evan Hanna.
Thank you. Mr. Hanna failed to appear at the last hearing. Mr. Hanna, you need to take your hat off, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. We're here on a pre-trial and a pre-hearing conference.
I'm sorry, as to the no insurance ticket, Mr. Hanna wishes to take the offer of civil infraction, no proof of insurance. I believe that's $180 fine and 0 points, if I'm correct.
No proof of insurance is a $175 fine. And I don't know how many points. One moment. Actually, no proof of insurance is 155.
Even better, thank you.
Let's see mine. Let's see, can I use it? Thank you.
Memory is full. Enter the remote access code.
Can you ask him out at the front desk?
Yeah.
Please, yes. If the translator could just hold on, please, Maggie, I'll be right with you. Thank you.
Welcome, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. $0, $155 fine.
Thank you.
Is that true, sir, that you wish to accept in case number 23S00483 and add account 2 for a civil infraction? Well, first of all, no proof of insurance. Is that a correct offer, Ms. McDuff?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. And do you wish to accept that offer of no proof of insurance, sir, for an event that occurred on August the 29th, 2023 at the vicinity of Huron Street and Joe Hall Drive here in Ypsilanti Township?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Fine is $155. Can you pay that today?
Not today. I can pay that Sunday, if that's okay.
1 second. I may have asked about the wrong ticket, so that might not be the correct. Yep, that's true. What are we doing on the on the equipment violation? What's happening with that?
Fortunately, we didn't talk about that one. What is, may I ask what the fine is on that one? Is that a civil infraction also?
It is a civil infraction.
And is that also 0 points?
I'm looking it up right now.
Thank you.
Can I speak?
Yes.
Sir.
I want to point out that I was told by the officer that if I get it signed off, if I get it fixed and then signed off at a police station, that I think I'm not actually sure what happens, but I sent proof of it getting signed off. I went and got it fixed and got it signed off by another officer. The defective equipment, sorry.
Yeah, I have to take that, but I don't see it getting signed off. So what you're asking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I have the ticket here, but I don't have a sign off on it.
I still have it if I can send it again. I think I sent it to Davi or yeah.
You sent the sign off to Davi, is what you're saying?
I believe, yeah, I sent it to, yeah. But I still have the ticket with the signature on it.
All right. I think we'll pass it so you can send that over. So Ms. White can send it to Ms. McDuffie. I'll recall it in a moment. As soon as someone lets me know we're all ready.
And Your Honor, I don't know if he was up for a review today in terms of probation. Was that also up?
No.
Okay.
Not to my knowledge.
No, because he and I discussed that, so I don't believe so.
No, we just have those two, the two I called. All right, you need to go into a breakout room to get his contact info? Or
yes, so he can get my email, yes.
I have both your phone number and email.
Okay, can you send me a copy of that signed off ticket?
Yes, ma'am. I think I have it in my car. If I do, I'll send it right after this.
She wants you to send it to me now.
Now, sir, I'm passing this so that we can get this taken care of at this moment.
Oh, okay.
All right, so go get it for her and send it to her now so we don't have to bring you back to court here. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. The court will call the matter of Ypsilanti, I'm sorry, Maggie, please raise your right hand to be sworn.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I mean, nope, wrong one. Do you swear or affirm you will translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Thank you. The court will call the matter of Ypsilanti Township versus Alvin Aguilera Mesa, case number 23T00390.
El tribunal llama el caso del pueblo de Ypsilante contra Elvin Valentín Aguilera Mesa, caso 23T00390.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Paul Barnett, a nombre del pueblo.
Assistant Public Defender Allison Muller here on behalf of Elvin Aguilera Meza.
Defensora Pública Asistente Alison Moller, a nombre del señor Aguilera Mesa.
Sir, please state your name.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
Elvin Valentín Aguilera Mesa.
Elvin Valentín Aguilera Mesa.
Thank you. Good morning. We're here for a pretrial today.
Gracias, buenos días. El día de hoy estamos para una audiencia preliminar.
Yes, Your Honor. I do apologize. I believe this matter was adjourned last time to attempt to have contact with Mr. Aguilera Meza.
Sí, su señoría, y mis disculpas porque entiendo que la última vez este caso fue aplazado para tratar de tener contacto con el señor Aguilera Mesa.
And at that time, his number was confirmed on the record. Unfortunately, we attempted to make contact. A voicemail was left, but no contact was made.
Y el número de teléfono fue confirmado durante la audiencia. Sin embargo, se trató de contactarlo, pero siempre lo que salía era la grabadora de dejar un mensaje de voz, por lo cual nunca se pudo contactar.
I would request one final adjournment to have contact with client so we can proceed in his case.
Yo voy a solicitar un aplazamiento final para poder tener contacto con el acusado y poder proceder con su caso.
No objection.
No hay objeción.
This is the 7th pretrial in this case, and it will be the final pretrial at the next one.
Esta es la 7ª audiencia preliminar y va a ser la última vez que se otorgue para la próxima.
Could I ask for confirmation? Could you ask Mr. Aguilera Meza if he has his attorney's number, Mr. Lebo?
Señor Aguilera Mesa, ¿usted tiene el número de teléfono de contacto de su abogado, el señor Lebo?
No, yo cambié de teléfono, se me borró el contacto.
No, I changed my phone and my contacts were erased.
¿Me lo podrían brindar?
Could I have it?
Could we, well, I was going to ask for a breakout room. I'm not sure.
Bueno, pues solicitar una sesión privada, pero no estoy segura.
Or it's okay. I can provide a phone number. Can I give him our office number?